What's the meaning of amortization? Amortization. 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 Amortization.
Amortization refers to the process of gradually paying off a debt or loan over a period of time through regular payments. These payments typically include both principal and interest, with a larger portion of the payment going towards the interest in the early stages of the amortization period. As the loan is gradually paid off, the amount of interest paid each month decreases while the amount of principal paid increases. By the end of the loan term, the debt is fully paid off and the borrower has effectively amortized the loan.